Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can go ahead and change professional account to normal Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, open your Instagram app, and as we have opened our Instagram app, we can see this, this home page of our Instagram. So if you go to profile picture, tap on three horizontal line, go to settings option, and if you scroll down and if you tap on this option called account over here, and if you scroll down, then we'll have this switch to professional account and add new professional account. We'll switch to professional account first. Simply go ahead continuing, choosing a random option and simply tapping on next. And now we have technically created a professional account. We just have steps to complete. Even without the steps, we have currently a professional account. If we turn that again, the same process, it will be in our profile icon, tapping on three horizontal line, going to settings and tapping on this account option, which will give us an access to option called switch account type. If we tap on it, we have business account, personal account. We would like to make it personal. Now we'll tap on this, tap on switch to personal account, aka confirmation for us, and it's processing over there. You can see it now. You can see I switched to personal account. Going back, we're going to go to our profile, simply going back, refresh once, and you can see now that thing that shows the steps is not there, and it's the personal account. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.